Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Beard Elementary School here in Modesto, California. I'm in Bulldog country right now, as you can see. Beautiful day. Spoke to kindergarten through 6th grade, and the main theme was all about bullying, that we choose to see someone for their heart first before anything else. And like the shirt says here, one race human, that we see everybody as human beings first and foremost as well. Just like you would see your best friend, that we choose to show that level of compassion and respect. And so many students came up to me after, got to share their heart with me during some of the lunches and after the programs out on recess, just telling me that, you know, they were born this way or born that way, and that they've been teased because of that, but now they understand that that's just someone's opinion, and someone that's been saying those things, they're probably hurting in their hearts, and they probably need kindness. So the best way to overcome that is to rise above the hate and to choose love and really turn ourselves from being these hurt people that hurt more people into healed people who heal people. And that we can be that light to someone's heart. We can choose to either, you know, lift somebody up higher than ourselves or to tear them down. And hopefully we choose compassion and choose empathy. And it just was really inspiring to see how many students really took to the message, you know, chalking on the pavement at recess all about kindness and being kind, putting the M on all their hands, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy with the lines on each of our palms. We all have the letters that spell M and W for miracle and worthy, and we remember our worth, and we remember that we are beautiful people, and that once we understand that, know that we're good enough, now we go help someone else that maybe doesn't see that or can't see that, and help them see that they're great enough too. So again, it was a beautiful day, great weather outside, great people, so many awesome faces that I'm gonna remember forever. You guys are etched in my mind. So never forget your worth, never forget your value or how beautiful you are. Keep sharing your hearts, keep spreading kindness, keep spreading all the love. Much love, peace.